Right. Next, I wanted to ask you was that in college, we all know that we need to pick up skills if you want a better future and all. Now, skills are divided into two parts. One is your core skills. That could be coding, that could be programming, that could be accounting for some people. And then come complementary skills, which is communication skills, which is speaking abilities and all. Now, there are two bipolar type of students whom I have noticed. One who say that, dude, communication skills don't matter. If I'm a coder, the code that I write actually makes sense, not if I can articulate well or not.
Yeah.
So those are the people who are like, if they have 100% time, they'll spend the entire 100% on learning their technical skills and not focus at all at their side skills. The next type of people feel that, dude, technical skills are saturated. Like literally every student is going to an engineering college learning tech skills. So this market is completely saturated. Like people are getting hired for 10-12,000 per month. And that is not a future that I want. So I'll only focus on my soft skills. Like 100% of my day is me improving my communication skills and all. I know both are wrong. So according to you, what is the ratio? Like if someone has got 100% of his time, how much should be put into developing technical skills and how much should be put into developing communication and soft skills?
I would say technical skills can only get you through the door, but after you get through the door, how you interact with people, how you interact in teams, how you interact with your boss, how you interact with people around you, your customers, is always takes precedence over your technical skills. You might be very good at your technical skills, but if you can't even form a basic conversation, if you can't even communicate your idea to those who want to listen to you, it's absolutely, I mean, I would say you won't even progress even one bit, even if you have superior technical skills to the person next to you. But I've always seen people with good communication skills, with good people skills or social skills, always moving up the ladder. Even if they are a little bit low on technical skills, they always take time to develop those technical skills on the side, and they move up the ladder based on their social skills. So I would say social skills form more than 70 to 80% of your 100%, and the rest can come along the way. I would say soft skills are obviously the top priority.